Are you looking to add a new website to GA4? Go to analytics.google.com. Once the page is fully loaded, click Start Measuring. Here, set up your Google Analytics account, or if you already have access to a GA account, go to Admin and click Create Account. Enter your account name. Click Next. Give your GA property a name. Select relevant time zone. Choose currency and click Next. Click Create. Accept the terms and conditions. Check the boxes and click I accept. Under Data Streams, choose the platform you want to install Google Analytics on. We'll go for the web for our website. Enter your website URL. As for the stream name, you can use the URL of your website, or you can also just simply use the website name. Once you're done, click Create Stream. After clicking Stream, you'll be presented with the instructions on how to install GA on the website. Choose Install Manually and copy the code snippet. You need to add this piece of code just after the starting head tag on every page of your website. To verify the correct installation on the GA website, click Real-Time just below the home icon, and there you have it. You can see the real-time data of your website. You can see the page views and a lot more. Thanks for watching. You can find step-by-step details on marketlytics.com/blog.